My father, bless his soul, he sent all of us to see the world. He had tuberculosis, he could not travel. So the moment we were able to, he sent us to the world and said, come home and tell me what you have seen. So we traveled, all of us. So we decided to give him a map, an atlas of the world, a map of the world. And there we decided to write, to make lines in 8 different colors for where we have been, because that's what he asked us to do. So we did that. Somebody said, Father, what do you think? And this is the profound moment where you know exactly what happened. He looked to all of us. We had all become silent, including the kids. And he says, you know, son, so you think it's the greatest distance from here, and he pointed to the sky. And he said, no, this is not the greatest distance. And he says, the greatest distance in existence of man is not from here to there, nor from there to here. Nay, the greatest distance is from his mind to his heart. Unless he conquers that distance, he can never learn to soar like an eagle and realize his own immensity within.